Hello everyone, today we are going over different oil pastel techniques. This can help you to use your oil pastel effectively and manipulate the way you want to create your art that you are trying to create. These are simple techniques, just follow along with me. Let's get started. Here are first 3 tips you need to know about blending oil pastel. Number 1. When you apply oil pastels, start from the dark and gradually move to the lighter color. There can be exceptions when you might have to apply the dark spots to the lighter color, but generally speaking, you start with dark color first. Number 2. When you apply oil pastels, you need to apply the first layer with enough pressure so that your support does not show through. You don't use oil pastels with delicate touch and leave a lot of white space underneath. Third and last tip. You do not apply oil pastels in separate sections. If you intend to blend a color and get the gradient effect, you need to have an area where two or more colors overlap. With this tip, I will show you the way to blend the oil pastel. Our first technique is blend color into white. I am using the dark color first. Use pressure. As I move to the center, barely put any pressure. Use your oil pastels to blend in irregular motion. Second technique, blend color into black. The black is a darker color, so I am using it first. Use pressure, and as you move to the center, press barely and leave the space for the color. Use color and swirl it into the black and blend. Third technique, blend color into grey. I am gonna use orange on this. I am pressing hard. As I move to the center again, I am pressing barely. Kind of swirling. This is a way to neutralize your colors if they are too bright and you don't want that way. Fourth technique. I am using black first. Use your pressure. In the middle, take another color and blend into black. And then start going on the left. And just lighten up your pressure. Then grab your white. Just start swirling into your color. Technique is to use my fingers. We'll start with darker color and then slowly move to the lighter shade. When I get to a point where two color mix, I use my finger to blend two colors and make the edges blurry so that they look like a gradual transformation of color. This is the most effective and flexible way to blend. This is also a method that has a least amount of wastage of the posture. I notice that I waste a lot of posture when I blend using tissue, so I rarely use those. However, keep in mind this method is most effective if you are working with creamy and soft oil pastel brands. There are other blending techniques called stippling and scrambling. In this method, you apply your pastels in dots or little scramble line and fill up your surface. I have never tried this method before. It seems to be extremely time consuming with your pastel methods. technique is to use pastel itself to blend. But just before I am starting off with a darker shade, when I get a place where two colors should mix, I use pastel itself to mix two colors. When you mix with your pastel, use lighter, circular and irregular motion so that edge looks hazy and blurry. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.